If you're experiencing issues with Roblox multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and strong. You can do this by testing other online services or running a speed test. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 2. Update Roblox. Make sure that you have the latest version of Roblox installed. Check for updates in the App Store or on the Roblox website. An outdated version can lead to connectivity issues. Step 3. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus software can block Roblox from accessing the internet. Check your firewall settings and ensure that Roblox is allowed through. You may need to add it as an exception. Step 4. Change server settings. In Roblox, you can change your server settings to join a different server or region. This can help if the server you are trying to connect to is experiencing issues. Look for the server options in the game menu. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If all else fails, uninstall and then reinstall Roblox. This can resolve any corrupted files or settings that may be causing multiplayer issues. After reinstalling, try launching the game again. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your Roblox multiplayer experience and resolve any connectivity issues. Happy gaming!